Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. This video is step 3 on how to start making money as a realtor. Today, we're going to talk about working your sphere of influence. Now, take out your phone, open the contacts, scroll to the bottom, and look at how many contacts you have. It could be hundreds of people. This is low-hanging fruit. The National Association of Realtors states that 15% of the people you know will move in the next year. How many of these friends know that you're a realtor? How many have your website address? How many are friends on Facebook and have liked your Facebook business page? At first, many of your friends will not take you seriously. Over 85% of all realtors are part-timers. Many leave the business after only a few months. In order to show that you are taking this new career seriously, you must act like a professional. First, you need a proper website that is linked to the MLS. People will Google you, and if what comes up looks like scrambled eggs, they will not hire you. Next, you need to have a Facebook business page and an Instagram business account. Lastly, you will need to post on social media on a regular basis. Check out my video on how to post on social media for more tips and tricks. Well, that's it for step 3. Please stay tuned for step 4 on how to start your real estate business. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com. And please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip and have a great day.